welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle. Welcome if you're new. Oh hey. Okay, so today, as you guys can see, my hair is crazy and I came back because I actually wanted to wash and do the wet look. So you guys have seen it, it's going around everywhere, but I definitely wanted to try and see if I can pull it off. I say, why not? Let's do something fun, let's do something different, and let's see if it's a fail or a success. I don't know, we'll see. Stay tuned, stick around. To style my hair, I repeated the exact same steps, but for this section, I'm going to show you step by step what I did to all of my hair. So I started off by wetting it, making sure it was fully detangled, and then I applied Uncle Funky's Daughter extra butter because it's very thick in consistency and I needed to have something heavy in my hair. After that was all applied, and I went in with more extra butter to make sure I had enough product in my hair. I used the Denman brush to make sure that the product was evenly distributed to all of my strands. So now I'm using the curl stimulator, again by Uncle Funky's Daughter. Out of all the gels that I have in my stash, this gel not only gives my hair a lot of shine, but it gives it amazing hold. So I found that this combination really worked the best to achieve this style. So I'm only showing you guys what I did to this one section step by step, and that's because I'm doing the exact same thing to the rest of my hair. So listen out for tips and advice that I would suggest if you want to achieve this style. And at the end of this video or during this video, make sure to leave a comment and tell me if you tried it, if you want to try it, what are your results if you did try it. If you like my finished results, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, so this challenge was definitely time consuming. I really underestimated how many times I had to keep brushing my hair back in order to get it nice and uniform. And then I was struggling to lay my edges, which was an issue. And then obviously after a while, I had so much product in my hair, it was hard to just brush it back. We'll see how this hair comes out. And I really hope it comes out nice because of all the effort I put in to try to achieve this look. So I used the wide tooth comb first and then the Denman brush, but I found that that combo worked best because my hair needed to be fully detangled before I brought out the definition with the brush. Ooh, let me tell you guys, I broke out in a little sweat doing my hair like this. Boy, all the arm strength you need? What? So you guys can't see, but I added gel to the toothbrush to do my edges. Okay, so I'm officially done. That took forever. When I tell you guys I broke out in a sweat, I broke out in a sweat. But before I sweat this hair out, I'm gonna tie it up with a satin scarf. But let me give you a 360 look just so you guys can see what it looks like. Now the only thing is that I don't have another satin scarf to wrap my hair, so to improvise, what I think I'm going to do is just wrap it in my cotton t-shirt and then use my bandana to secure it. So let's see how that works out. Whoa, my hair is so heavy. Let me turn around so you guys can see what I did. Okay, so the moment has arrived for me to take all of this off and see what my hair looks like. I ended up falling asleep with it overnight. Was it comfortable? No. But let's just get to the point already. Ooh. So unfortunately, I do have a little bit of frizz up in this area right here, and I will wet it up a little bit to try to blend that back in. Is that cheating? Maybe. But the challenge is definitely over. So to finish off and complete this look, let me change clothes. Yeah, so realistically I had to re-wet my hair because it became a little frizzy. So to finish off the wet look, my hair up top is completely dry, but the back is wet, and that's okay. You guys saw exactly how it was when it came out of the satin scarf and the cotton t-shirt, and I took all those clips off. So my recommendation would be to not sleep with the style as it is. You can remove the satin scarf or cotton t-shirt after a few hours just to make sure that it's nice and set the way it is. But this is the finished look. So tell me what you guys think. Make sure that you leave a comment, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because the looks will keep on coming. Peace and love, positive vibes.